Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with YogeshSir. I am Yogesh Sharma and you are watching class 5 Maths Mela textbook chapter wise solution. And in this series bachcho, today we will solve chapter number 1, We the Travelers. You might be surprised that why the name of the chapter is We the Travelers 1. Actually, when we travel somewhere, when we go at some place which is very far, we have to deal with many questions with how far is the place, for how many days we have to stay there. If we are staying in a hotel there, then how much money we need to pay there, what will the price of ticket. So answer for all these questions lies in numbers. So in this chapter bachcho, we will learn about numbers, Indian number system, how we call the numbers, how we read the numbers, their ascending descending order, nearest numbers. So all these things we will learn in this chapter. So let's start bachcho. Some questions are given here bachcho. This is about your trip, like when was the last trip you went on a long trip, where did you go, how did you travel, what was the duration of your trip, how much distance did you cover. Ask the elders who went with you and to help the answer. So you will discuss all these questions with your elders, you will find their answer and then you will write in your notebook. Some pictures are given here of old time, like how they used to travel, and the text is given here. Human beings have always been interested in traveling. About 100 years ago, there were far fewer vehicles than today. There were animal-drawn cars, and trains. Long before this, thousands of years ago, people traveled long distances on foot or used animals to travel from one place to another. They also built boats and ships to travel across lakes, rivers, seas. Boats were probably the first form of transport invented by humans, much before bullock carts. Do you know how many vehicles are currently there in your state? So answer of the last question you have to write, you have to find how many vehicles are currently there in your state. So like if you are if you are living in a big state like Maharashtra or Uttar Pradesh, definitely the answer will be in lakhs. Okay, and if you are living in a small state like Sikkim, where there you number of vehicles will be in 10,000, 20,000, something like that. Okay, so you will try to find the answer of this question. After this, coming to next bachcho, reading and writing large number. Let's start with 1000. What number do you get when we keep adding 1,000? Like starting from 1000, adding 1000 in it, we will get bachcho 2000. So after that, in 2000, when you will add one more thousand in it, you will get bachcho 3000. And if you will add 1000 more in it, you will get 4000, then 5000, then 6000, then 7000, then 8000, and after 8000 you will get 9000. So when you will add one more 1000 in 9000 bachcho, you will get 10,000. After 9000, obviously 10,000 will come, but the question is, how do we write this number? Okay, so for example 9000, you can write this, but how we will write 10,000? So let's see bachcho. Look at the table below and notice the pattern of writing numbers in the place of value chart. We have added another column, TTH. TTH stands for this column. This column stands for 10,000. Okay, so you can see first column is of ones, then second column tens, 100,000, 10,000. So if we have to write only one, it will come in the column of ones. If we are writing 10, so then you will write 1 in the column of 10. If we are writing 100, so you will write 1 in the column of 100, and in the column of tens and ones you will write 0, 0. Okay, in the same way for 1000, you will write 1 in the column of 1000, and in the other column you will put 0, 0, 0. And after 1000, 5-digit number bachcho, that is 10,000, and you will write 1 in the column of 10,000, and in the other column bachcho you will write 0, 0, 0. So this is the one way to write 10,000. Here you can see one box represent 1. So when you will join such 10 boxes, actually you are joining 10 ones. So 10 ones means bachcho 110, and value of 110 means 10. In the same way, when you join, this is 1 tens. Okay, in the same way, when you join 10 tens, 10 tens, we get 100, and we write 100 like this. And when we join 10 hundreds, so this is the set of 10 hundreds, so it makes 1000, and we write 1000 in this way. In the same way 10,000, this is 1000, and such 10,000 bachcho will be this 10000. So 1 and after that 40, so that is called bachcho 10,000. You can see here 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, and they are total 10, so it become 10,000. Do you remember how we read and write numbers in Indian place value system? We use the same 10 digits 0 to 9 in different place value number. For example, okay, so this is the expanded form in Indian value system bachcho, 1380. This is the number. How we read this number bachcho? We start from the left side, and you know the place value of this number is 1000. So 1000 place value of this number is bachcho, this digit is 100, so 300, so 1000, 300s, 8 tens and 0 ones. And you can also present this number in this way, like this is the box of 1000, so there are total 300, so that's why 100, 100, 100. How many tens are there? There are total 8 tens, so 1 tens, 1 tens, 1 tens, 1 tens, 1 1 1, so there are total 8 tens, it means 80. And how many ones are there? There is no one, it is 0, so that's why there is no box for ones. In the same way you can write 9100, 2 tens, 3 ones, and you can represent in this way. Coming to next page bachcho, what we have to do here, let us see how we write numbers beyond 10,000 and how we name them. We write them in the same way as number below 9999. You can use the tokens given in the end of the book. So you can use those tokens bachcho which are given at the end of your book. So starting from the first row, you can see here bachcho, there is one box of 10,000 and one box of 1 ones. So total it will make 10,001, and in the column of 10,000 you will write 1, in the column of 1000 you will write 0, in the column of 100 0 again, in the column of 10 0, and in the column of ones you will write 1. So in names, in words, you will write in this way 10,001. So coming to this bachcho, you can see here how many 10,000 are there. So there is 1 10,000. How many thousands are there? 0 10,000. How many hundreds are there? 0 hundreds. How many tens are there? 1 2 3. So 3 tens. How many ones are there? 1 2 3, 3 ones. Okay, and as a whole you can write here like this: 10,000 0 3 3. Okay, come to next bachcho. You can see here how many 10,000 are there. There is 1 10,000. How many thousand are there? There is 0 thousand. How many hundreds are there? 100 200 300 400. So total 400s are there. How many tens are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens are there. How many ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8. Okay, after this bachcho, come to next page. Here the place, this is already filled, the column already filled, just we have to write in words and in numbers. So 1 10,000. Okay, how many thousand are there? Again 1,000. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. How many tens? 1 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. So it means this is 11,000. So 11,214. In the same way bachcho, here its name is given. You have to just fill the column. So how many 10,000? 1 10,000. How many thousand? 1 2 3 3 10,000. Sorry, 3 1,000. How many hundreds? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 2 tens are there. How many ones are there? There is no ones, it means 0. So I think you can do this by yourself. Coming to next page, Let us do what we have to do here बच्चों. Fill in the blanks by continuing the pattern in each of the following sequences. Discuss the pattern in class. So here we have to find what is the pattern here. So to find the pattern बच्चों, we will subtract the smaller number to the bigger number which is next to it or before it. So like here the bigger number is next to the previous number, so 567 minus 456 बच्चों, when you will subtract this you will get 111. To cross verify whether the pattern is adding 111, is it correct or not, we will verify by subtracting this number 567 from the next number, that is 768, and when you will subtract this again you will get 111. So it means the pattern is adding 111 in the previous number. So to get the next number we will add 111 in the 678, so you will get 789. So to get next number again you will add 111 and you will get बच्चों 1 plus 9 0, 8 plus 1 9 and 1 10, and 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So again when you will add 111 in this you will get 1011, again 111 you will get 1122. Okay, coming to next बच्चों, here in B you can see first number is given but the second box is blank, third is given, fourth is given. So to find the pattern बच्चों, as I told you, we will subtract the smaller number from bigger number. So here 4200 minus 3050, and the difference you will get 1050. So here it is increasing by 1050. So to get the next number, second number, you will add 1050 in the first number and you will get the second number. Okay, in the same way you will add here 1050 to get the next number. So when you will add this, so you will get 5250. Again when you will add 1050 in this, you will get 6300, and then it will be 7350. Coming into question number C बच्चों, again you will subtract this, and when you will subtract the smaller number from this number, you can see here it is increasing 900. Again you can check here it is increasing 900, so you will add 900 in this to get the next number, and when you will add 900 you will get this. In the same way you can find the next numbers. In D बच्चों you can see it is increasing 100, so it will be बच्चों 10,400, next will be 10,500 and so on. Here it is increasing बच्चों by 20, so next will be 10,145, 10,165, then next will be 10,185. Here it is increasing by 1, so 10,994, 10,995. In G बच्चों you can see it is increasing by 2, so 2 it will be next 10,800, 10,802. Here it is decreasing by 1, it is not increasing. You can see second number is smaller than the previous number, decreasing by 1. So in the next number you will subtract 1 from the previous and you will get 72,003, then 72,002, and in the same way you can find the next. Here बच्चों you can see second number is bigger than previous number, first number, and it is 1000 bigger. So it means we are adding 1000 in the previous number to get the next number. So here your next number will be 84,350, and next will be 85,350. Coming to next page, here what we have to do, fill in the blanks appropriately, use commas as required. So first one is done already, and the second बच्चों number is given, we have to write its number name. So this is, you know very well, 7,200 9. Here it is बच्चों 10,599. Here number name is given, we have to write numbers in digits. So 10,740. So it will be बच्चों 10,743. You can do rest of this by yourself. Coming to next. In question number 3, arrange the numbers below in increasing order. You can use the number line below if required. So some numbers are given here, but they are not in order. We have to put them in increasing order. So in increasing order, bachcho, first of all we write smallest number. So which one is smallest here? This is 40,000, this is 34, 40, 34, 37, 47, 47, 18,000. So this is the smallest. So just I'm giving it a order. So like this is rank, this is first, it means this is smallest. After this bachcho, which is next? So 34 is this is also 34. So among these 34s bachcho, this is 407 and this is 740. So this will be second, it will come third. After this bachcho, come to next. This is 40,000, this is also 40,000, but this is 300 and this is 400. So this will be fourth, this will be fifth, and after this bachcho, come to next, it will be sixth, because this is 47,000. And after this bachcho, this will be seventh, 73,000, and this will be biggest, 74,430. So you can write in this sequence. First you will write these, then you will write these, and third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Question number 4, student is said 9,990 is greater than 49,000 because 9 is greater than 4 is the student is writing. देखो बच्चों, no doubt 9 is greater than 4, but here you can see this is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number. Obviously 5-digit number is always greater than 4-digit number. And one more thing, this is 9,000 and this is 49,000. So 49,000 is 49,000 will be bigger than 9,000. So he is wrong. Coming to next bachcho, what we have to do here, use the number line below to find position of number, fill in the blanks. So number line bachcho, first number is 5,000, then 10,000, next will be bachcho 15,000, then it will be 20,000. It means we are adding 5,000 in the previous number to get the next number. So I think you can do it easily. Coming to next question, digit swap. In the number 1478, interchanging the digits 4 and 7 and 4, we get 1748. Now interchange any two digits in the number to make a number that is greater than 5,500. So we have digits 1, 4, 7, 8. We have to interchange any two digits to make a number greater than 5,000. So you can see the first number here, 1000 place, it is 5. So it means if we keep some digit at the 1000 place greater than 5, then it will automatically the whole number will be greater than 5,500. So I will use 8 here in the starting. If I am putting 8 here, so 1 will go here. So and other two digits will remain at the same place. So it will become 8,471 and this is greater than 5,500. Coming to next, interchange two digits of 10,593 to make a number between 11,000 and 15,000. So we have digits 10,593. We have to interchange any two digits to make a number between 11 to 15,000. So what we will do here bachcho, interchange 0 and 3. So it will become 13590 and that is between 11 to 15,000. Okay, after this bachcho, come to next, more than 35,000. So for more than 35,000 bachcho, if you interchange 3 and 1, it will become 30591 and it is not more than 35,000. So it will be wrong. Okay, so if we interchange 1 and 5, so we will get 50193 and that this is greater than 35,000. So this is correct. In C, interchange two digits of this number to make as small as possible. As small as possible, we will use only these 5 digits. Okay, so and one more thing, we have to interchange only 2 digits, not all the digits. We will check which is the smallest digit in this. So smallest digit is bachcho 2. So keep it at the first. So 2, 8, 4, 4, 7. Why we keep 8 at the same position? Actually, the condition was interchange 2 digits. So I have interchanged 2 and 4, so 8 will remain at the same position. So this is the small as possible, as make as big as possible. We will find the biggest digit, largest digit, that is 8. So we will keep 8 at the first position, at the 10,000 position. Then if we are putting 8 at the first, then 4 will come at place of 8, and rest of the digits will remain same. So this is the as big as possible. Coming to next, nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. A rabbit is hungry. Its location is given in the picture below. Its foods has been kept at 2 places. Help the rabbit to reach the food. So you can see here, bacho, a hungry rabbit is here at this position, and you can see food is at on different direction. One is on the left side and one is on the right side. So he has choice, he can either go on left or he can jump on right side. So which side he will go? As you can see, bacho, this is nearest, this is near to rabbit, so obviously he will go to right. This is the situation is given in picture, it is visualized in front of you. That's why you are easily to understand he will go to right side. But if it is given in numbers only, it means the picture is not given, how you will find which side he will go? So in that case, bachcho, you will subtract the positions of food and rabbit. Like in this case, bachcho, the position of food is bachcho 2, 3, 5, 0, and position of rabbit is 2, 3, 4, 6. Bachcho, to reach at food, he has to jump 4 steps. Okay, and in the left side situation, bachcho, rabbit position is 2, 3, 4, 6, and food position is 2, 3, 4, 5. So to reach at food, he has to jump 4 steps. So obviously he will jump 4 steps to get food fast. Okay, so it means this food is near to rabbit, or you can say, you can see here, this is 40, it means 4 tens. This is 50, it means 5 tens. Which tens is near to 46? 46. So nearest tens between 40 and 50 is 50. Okay, so this is the concept of nearest tens. Coming to next page, rabbit is at on the same position. Its food has been kept at the neighboring hundreds. Which of the 200 should be to go? First scenario, bachcho, food was at the tens. Now food is at hundreds. So we have to find which 100 is nearest to the rabbit. So you can see here, bachcho, in the picture we can easily check this is near to rabbit and this is far. Okay, but if the picture is not given, how we will check, bachcho? We will subtract the position of food and rabbit. So in the first case, bachcho, position of rabbit is 2, 3, 4, 6, and position of food is bachcho 2300, and when you will subtract, you will get 46. So it means rabbit has to jump 46 steps toward left. And in the second right side, bachcho, food is at 2400 and rabbit position is 2346, and when you will subtract this, you will get 54. So it means to go to food on the right side, he has to jump 54 steps. So obviously he will go to left side to get food easily and quickly. So what does it mean, bachcho? It means this 300, or you can say this 2300 is more near, or you can say nearest to rabbit than 2400. So this is the concept of nearest 100. So what does it mean, bachcho? This is 346, this is 300, this is 400. So there are two hundreds around 346. One is 300, one is 400, and which is more near, which is nearest to 346 बच्चों, that is 300 then 400, because it is 54 steps far away, this is 46 steps far away, so this is more near to 346. The rabbit is at 2345. Food has been kept at the neighboring 1000, now at 1000. So in the same way bachcho, you can see 2000 is more near to 2346 than 3000. So nearest 1000 is 2000. So you can fill the blanks. Coming to next question bachcho, table is given, we have to find nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest 1000. So nearest tens, in case of nearest tens, forget the 100, 1000 and 100 place, just check the tens and ones place. So this is 76. For 76 bachcho, we have option of two tens, one is 70, other is 80. So which one is near? Obviously 80 is near, because the difference is 4, here the difference is 6, so 80 is near. So the answer will be 3180. Okay, again here in 17, 20 will be more near than 10. 5790, here it will be bachcho. Okay, this is very interesting bachcho. So in 203 bachcho, as you can see, at place of tens it is 0, so the number is 3 total. So for 3 we have two option. For 3 we have two option for tens, one is 0 0, the other one is 10. So what do you think, which one is more near to 3? So here to reach at 0 0 we have to go back 3 steps. To reach at 10 we have to go forward 7 steps. So which one is near bachcho? 3. This 0 0 is near. So in this case bachcho, the nearest tens will be 8200. Now come to hundreds bachcho. Nearest 100 of 176 will be, we have two option again, 100 or 200. So 200 is more near, so it will be 3200. Here it will be bachcho 4000, and in this case bachcho it will be 5800, and it will be 8200. Nearest 1000, this is also very interesting, but how we will find nearest 1000? So to find nearest 1000, 3176, we have two choice. One is 3000, the other one is 4000. So you can easily see, to reach at 3000 we have to go back just only 176 steps, but to reach at 4000 bachcho we have to go forward 824 steps. Okay, so which one is the nearest 1000 to 3176? So nearest 1000 is 3000. In the same way bachcho, you can see, you can find the other nearest 1000. In this case is, here the nearest 1000 will be 6000, here the nearest 1000 will be 8000. So this is all about today bachcho. If this video is useful for you, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.